Hello and welcome to World Digital Skilling Oneself. I am the CEO of World Digital by name Walter Ndum. World Digital is a platform that teaches digital skills to people all over the world. So today we'll be teaching you an important skill, which is that of how to design memorable and monetizing portrait frames. Okay, I hope these portrait frames are beautiful. So if this is your first time watching this tutorial, I will advise you to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So I'm going to show you how to come up with these memorable and monetizing portrait frames. So we'll go to Play Store, go to Play Store, download Photolab. Okay, we download Photolab. I already have it installed in my phone, so I'll just click on open. So you wait for it to load. It loads, and now you click on this X here, it opens. If you observe very well, the application is so wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, I know women love beautiful things. So I'm going to show you how to create memorable and monetizing portrait frames. So you will choose the template that you want. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose the menu template. I will choose this. Okay, when you choose it, you have to look for a picture. Okay, I've chosen this picture, for example, and at this level, you have to click on this arrow, this blinking arrow here that's going on the right. You click on it, and then you click on the X adverts. Okay, you see. So now, wow, see, the portrait is so beautiful. So what I always do is I always try to make it look individual, such a way that the person will be happy to see the portrait, knowing that it's himself or herself. So what I do is I try to customize it. I click on this plus here, and I'll click on add text. Okay, for example, I can type the person's name. I'll type Walter Ndum. Yes. So you can resize it. Okay, and now just below here you'll see uppercase A and lowercase a. Those are the fonts, so you can change fonts as you like. Okay, you can choose the fonts that you like. And now you see this cup below here is color, so I will take black. So you can resize, you play with it. Okay, and you put it by the side here. Okay, I'm using the color black because there are some black colors on the frame. Okay, when you make it like this, it looks so beautiful. Okay, and now as a smart person, you have to add your name such a way that a different client can call you. Okay, so that's how you can monetize the portrait. So I will type here by World Digital, press the enter key, you type your telephone number, you can equally resize it. Okay, resize it. I'll put it at this angle here. I will try to reduce it, and I'll put the black color that should be visible a little. Okay, now you put it by the side, such a way that when somebody wants to contact you, okay, he can just look and see your name and your number and call you. Okay, so that you can then make money out of it. Okay, you see how the portrait is beautiful. So, and now there's a secret behind this. Okay, because if you have to save from here to be a watermark, okay, if you observe here on the bottom right, you see photolab.me. Okay, that will not be nice. As a professional, it's good that you have it the way it is. So I will show you the secret. Okay, so before I show you the secret, I would like you to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we send digital skills, you'll be the first to receive them. So this is the secret. Are you ready to get the secret? Okay, this is the secret. So you try to screenshot, but with my phone I have to glide from this side. Now you click on screenshot. So you click on screenshot, you take edit, you crop. Okay, you have to be smart in this digital world. So I crop the picture, crop it. Now you click on save. Now it has been saved to the gallery, so we can go and check it now in the gallery. We'll see our job there. Well done. And I will show you again a different secret, what you should do. Okay, access the gallery. So okay, now you see it's showing screenshot. Okay, it's showing screenshot. So if you have to send it to the person discovered it's a screenshot. So you click on it and you take more. Yeah, you rename it. For example, if you're sending it to a friend, you can write happy birthday Walter Doom. Okay, and you save now. So now it will look professional with the person's name, and now you can then share, okay, to the individual. It depends whatever medium that you want to use to share the portrait frame. You see how the portrait is beautiful. So I'll advise you all to use Photolab to surprise your loved ones and to equally make money. So I would like you to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for our next tutorial. See you. Ciao, ciao. It's the CEO of World Digital.